Don't fail stopping for shopping exercise before you even got to the car park. You have to give way to pedestrians. If there are pedestrians coming across your path when you're turning, you have to allow them to cross. Otherwise, the assessor will intervene and terminate your driving test right there on the spot. You'll have greater chance of higher frequency of pedestrians if you're driving through the shops. Always expect pedestrians crossing your path when you're about to do the exercise, stopping for shopping. Don't hesitate gesturing to the pedestrians to cross before you because you will gain points in your driving test. See, the driver in the SUV is reversing towards pedestrians. So if that's you in the driving test, the assessor will intervene and mark you for not stopping to give way to pedestrian. How to make a perfect 3-point turn in your driving test. If you are using the driveway on the right hand side, your front bumper must reach the driveway before you start turning. Don't start turning prematurely because you're going to lose points for path. You have to get deep enough, but you can't overshoot the letterbox line, which is a property line.